Good day, my friends. If you need to move money out of Revolut and into a standard bank account, whether it's your own account or sending cash to a friend or business, the process doesn't take long at all. So first, let's open the Revolut app and set up your bank receipts. So you just open up Revolut on your app and tap on the Transfers tab. It's going to be this icon right here with two arrows at the bottom of your screen. Select the bank recipients from the list of options. Choose whether you're sending to an individual or a business, then select the destination country and currency. Enter their account details, such as IBAN or account number and sort code, along with their full name, and tap Add Recipient to save them. So this is going to be a recipient field. Then on the next screen, you just type in the exact amount that you want to send. If you're sending in a foreign currency, Revolut will display the live exchange rate and any applicable fees. Then you can just add a reference if you want and tap Review. After that, guys, the international SWIFT payments can take up to 1 to 3 days, working days. So always check the estimated arrival time shown on your final confirmation receipt. Enjoy sending, and thank you for watching.